So in this ChatGPT tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use DALL-E in ChatGPT. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up ChatGPT for this demonstration. How about we start a new chat right here? But before that, I actually want you to go down to this option right here. And so go to the top left, go to where it says Explore, and then press on Explore. Then once you're on the Explore page, it'll say by ChatGPT. So you can go DALL-E right here. Let me turn your imagination into imagery. Simply just press on this option right here. And then what it's going to do is actually use DALL-E here in ChatGPT. So if you wanted to message DALL-E here, how about I will say, can you create a picture of a beach with super blue ocean? Just for demonstration, is now going to take its time and process your information. So what it's actually going to do right now is create a image through DALL-E. So I'll just wait along here. And actually, what you can tell as well is on the left-hand side of your screen, it did start a new chat through DALL-E here in ChatGPT or DALL-E in ChatGPT. So once that is done, here you go. I have my photos generated right here. Here are two images of a beach with super blue ocean. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see. You can go ahead and sort of add more stuff. Do whatever you have to do. But it's a pretty straightforward basic tutorial on how you guys can use DALL-E here in ChatGPT. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.